All right, so today we're going to do a quick little video with Dr. Andy, and we're going to talk about basically his updated bio. Dr. Andy, welcome. How are you today?
Good. How are you, Stephen?
I'm doing good, man. So you took a Craniosacral course with John Upledger's group. Tell me a little bit about the Craniosacral course as far as like what kind of patients you could utilize those gentle techniques with, and just tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so the craniosacral therapy includes a lot of myofascial techniques based on listening to and adjusting the craniosacral rhythm by adjusting the myofascial system. And then by doing that, I've been finding some success when working with patients with migraines, and also a lady who's having a flare-up from rheumatoid arthritis. I've been doing some techniques to help her relieve the flare-up. Those other techniques wouldn't last for longer than 1 or 2 days, but then I used some craniosacral therapy techniques on her, and then last week she told me that she was staying symptom-free for 5 or 6 days.
So it's increasing the amount of time.
Yeah.
That's awesome. So it's always great when you take a course and start seeing improvements, and you know, even if you take just a couple little things from it and start implementing it with your patients, that's an immediate positive. It's pretty awesome. My experience with craniosacral therapy, when I first signed up for a course, I knew nothing about it, and as I was laying on the table receiving it for the first time, I was feeling things in my knee, I was feeling things in my head adjust and pop, and it was the most bizarre thing I had ever experienced, because it was so different than the very forceful, aggressive stuff that I was used to, and people digging in and, you know, using their elbows on me and manipulating me. And so it was all of a sudden, I'm like, what are you doing? Like, I don't even feel this. But it was such a powerful experience, because it really helped to kind of, as I was bringing awareness to my body with Pilates, it helped me to kind of relax a little bit and get out of some holding patterns to allow what I was re-educating my body with to be a little bit more effective in my mind. So I find it's a very great thing for helping headaches, migraines, like you mentioned, whiplash type of situations. And it's an interesting thing that I'm glad you and Danny both are learning a little bit about this, because it's something that it helps many people along the way. So with that said, thank you for your time, Andy. Thank you for your commitment to your patients. Thank you for your commitment to the industry to keep getting better and to keep serving people at a high level. And if you haven't been to our Google page, he's got like 5 incredible Google reviews in the last week alone. So just, you should read those. With that said, y'all take care, and thanks a lot, Andy.